Hi, welcome to Electro Pros. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change the name and password of HC05. So let's get started. For making this project, you will need an Arduino Uno, HC05 Bluetooth module, a 1K resistor, jumper wires, a normal jumper wire, a A to B USB cable, a breadboard. First, connect the VCC pin of the HC05 module to the plus 5 volt pin of the Arduino, and then connect the ground pin of the HC05 to the ground pin of the Arduino. Then connect the RX pin of the Arduino to the RX pin of the HC05 module through via a resistor. Then connect the TX pin of the Arduino to the TX pin of the Bluetooth module. You can use a voltage divider in place of a 1K resistor. Connect the enable pin of the HC05 to the VCC pin of the HC05. Then power it up. Then upload the blank code. Then open the serial monitor. Then write a simple HT command. Then send it. It will say OK. HT plus name. It will give the name of the HC05 module. AT plus name with a question mark. What is happening? AT plus PSWD. It will write the current password. If you want to change the name, write AT plus name equal to you HC05. Okay. Then check it is working or not. It's working. Then if you want to change the password, write AT plus PSWD equal to 1234. It is giving an error because we were not writing it in a format. AT plus PSWD equal to, then write a quote and write the password. Okay. Then I will also show you some more couple of AT commands. AT plus UART. It will give the serial monitor is best to choose baud rate. I am using 38,400. If you want to check the address of the Bluetooth module, Then write AT plus ADDR and question mark. It will give the current address of the Bluetooth module. The last AT command is AT plus ROLE question mark. It will give a number. The 0 means slave, 1 means master, and 2 means slave loop. If you want to change the role of the H005 module, write AT plus role equal to 1 or any other. It will write OK. Then check. Uh-oh, it's not working. Let's rewrite. Now it will give. If it's not giving any response to your command, then try to press the button above the enable pin on the H05 module. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.